Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 8. I believe you know how we're going to start this off. We're going to start this off with a giveaway. Okay, so today's question is, what is a movie that people would probably be surprised if you said you have not actually watched that movie? Follow me on Twitter, then you know what my answer is. I haven't watched The Notebook, and I also haven't watched Coming to America. So let me know what your answer is down below, and then don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up this video, and then leave your Instagram, Twitter handles, email, something that I contact you at if you win. So moving on to today's foundation, this is the Sephora Matte Perfection Tinted Moisturizer, trying another retailer brand foundation. This also retails for $18 like the Ulta one did, but you get 1.014 fluid ounces. What did that say? Sorry, got a notification. And this comes in 16 shades. I got it in the shade 15 Suede, so I guess that's like the second to last shade. What do they say about this? A lightweight, soft, matte finish tinted moisturizer that gives sheer, breathable coverage that is undetectable on skin. Okay, the sheer. Ingredient callouts. This product is fragrance-free and cruelty-free. What else you need to know? This lightweight, soft, matte finish tinted moisturizer gives sheer coverage that is just enough to dull the look of redness and even out skin tone. Due to the sheer pigment in this formula, the shade range works for a wide variety of skin tones. That's what they all say. I'm assuming you gotta shake her up a bit. You kind of hear it, but it's not. It doesn't sound really liquidy. Okay, we're gonna have to move quickly because it is running down my forehead into my brows. But I don't know, I've got hope for this one. I feel like I say I have hope every day, but I've got hope for this one because it says matte in it. So any of you who like that, you know, no coverage type of thing, but need matteness because you've got oily skin, this one might be for you. If I say this smells like foundation, would some of you out there know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to describe it other than this smells like foundation. Makeup, I guess? Smells, I don't know. So this is just foundation on my face. Listen, I don't know about sheer. I feel like she's giving me pretty medium coverage, but I'm not mad at it. And this will be my face for the day. It is 11:11, make a wish. I'm gonna go check in midday and then I will see you all back here later on tonight. So it is a 3:27 and this is what my face is looking like. I think that's just the light bouncing off of me because I feel like this is giving what a matte foundation is supposed to give, but because it's still a tinted moisturizer, you still got that life in your face. It's not giving dried out even though it is controlling my oil. Like, yes ma'am, okay, I sees you. I really think that, like, you can see how it's just like the light going down my face. Because when I tell you like my face is still matte, I mean my face is still matte, but she's getting fresh. I'm here for it. So I am back. It is 6:22. This is my face is looking like. Now, I actually like this foundation. I had reasons going into it to have some doubts, okay? One, again, the whole retailer thing, like trying Ulta brand stuff or Sephora brand stuff. Y'all saw how it went when I tried Ulta's brand for the first time the other day. Sephora, I think I've tried a bronzer from them. And if you guys remember, a couple years ago, I tried a foundation in my either 12 days or foundation hunt week, one of those things. And I immediately broke out in hives. Well, not immediately, like 12 minutes later, I broke out in hives from the foundation. Out of the 100+ foundations I've tried on this channel, if you guys remember, that's the only time I haven't actually like finished a foundation hunt review video because I was like, I'm not keeping this on my face because my face is breaking out. The Morphe one didn't count because I didn't actually like put that on my face. I'm pretty sure that was a Sephora foundation years ago. So I had reasons going into this to feel some type of way about how this was going to go. But like I said in check-in, the matteness and the tinted moisturizer has me intrigued because especially nowadays, like I wear makeup for y'all, okay? I surely don't wear it when I go out. I don't go out often. There's also that as well. Like I go to the post office. I order groceries. So I don't go out much as it is. So really, I'm wearing makeup for y'all in these videos. And if there is something that would call for me going out, like I'm not doing a whole face. So tinted moisturizer is probably the direction that I would be going in, right? So the tinted moisturizer aspect of this has me intrigued, and then the matteness has me intrigued as well because I have oily skin, right? So what they say about this tinted moisturizer, foundation, same thing. Lightweight, soft matte finish, tinted moisturizer that gives sheer, breathable coverage that is undetectable on the skin. Lightweight, yes, this, I don't know how to describe it, but like, it's so lightweight and so forgettable that you have it on your face that it actually feels good having it on. That's the best way I can describe it, y'all. I can't describe what that means, but that's what it means, okay? Like I say, with things that are like heavy, you can feel on the face, so it makes me uneasy. Like this, I'm gonna tell you, I'm just chilling, okay? Could have gone like a couple more hours, forgetting that I even had this on my face and I had to do this check-in. So yes, lightweight on the face, soft matte finish, soft matte finish, tinted moisturizer that gives sheer, breathable coverage. Soft matte, I felt like, I could say it was pretty soft matte of a finish. I was gonna say I felt like it was kind of matte, but no, I could see soft matte finish. Sheer, at least, I don't know, maybe I put too much on. Y'all know I don't put a lot of product on to begin with, but it didn't give me sheer. It was giving me pretty medium coverage that you could build to full coverage as a tinted moisturizer and would still look nice on your face. Breathable, undetectable on the skin. I mean, like, I feel like I've been doing the thing when it comes to shade matches this 12 days. You know, we're not done yet. I don't want to jinx myself there, but I feel like, listen, I've been doing what it has to do as far as color matching goes. Like they said, they only have 16 or 18 shades because like they're so sheer and lightweight and all that stuff that it can just blend with a whole bunch of different skin tones. I don't know about all that, but I feel like, you know, she giving me a little undetectable. Like, you can tell I'm wearing makeup, but you know, it's giving no makeup, let's say that. Just enough to dull the look of redness and even out skin tone. Yeah, I agree with that. And I'm saying, I feel like it can go even a step above that than just dulling it out. Like, you got hyperpigmentation, stuff like that. I feel like you could build this to get a nice coverage on your face if you were trying to even out your skin tone. But yeah, I'm kind of feeling this. Yes, I am getting oily, but I'm not mad at it. I feel like, you know, I could blot this and I would still look good, and I feel like it's mostly like right here around my nose area. If you guys haven't been following along for the last, I don't know, 8 days or any other time I've done foundation hunts, my dry skin areas, especially since I got them done, like right around my brow area and then here in my nose, I feel like that's where I'm getting the most oily, and that could be because, like, since it's dry and I'm putting a matte product on it, that area specifically is like, help me, okay? Help me. But I do feel like once I blot, what that's looking like, it's usually like this little curve here that builds up the most. Like, product just seeps in there if it does get in there. But yeah, like I feel like she's doing what she has to do. Would I say that I would add this into like my go-to tinted moisturizers? Possibly. Right now, like, you know, she's got some older brothers and sisters to contend with. The Colourpop tinted moisturizer, Florence by Mills. I've tried a couple tinted moisturizers that I actually do like. Actually, yeah, I might pick this one up over Florence Mills. I don't know if I would pick this up over the Colourpop tinted moisturizer, because like the Colourpop tinted moisturizer is giving you tinted moisturizer, but can give you foundation if you want it at a Colourpop price. Granted, this is $18, but Colourpop $6 compared to anything over $6. Although, is that tinted moisturizer $6? It might be $9, somewhere around there. Listen, it's Colourpop prices, okay? So it's not gonna be Colourpop, but I could see myself going for this tinted moisturizer over the Florence by Mills. Why are other tinted moisturizers not coming to mind right now? Like, I tried that Smashbox. I would pick this up over Smashbox. I can't think of other tinted moisturizers that I've tried, but yeah, this might actually be up there with some tinted moisturizers that if you guys were like, what tinted moisturizers, say tinted moisturizer again, would I recommend to you? This would probably be one that I would recommend. Those three that I can remember, the two and then this one. But I do feel like I should point out, seeing how I'm kind of on the fence of saying like soft matte or matte, if you have drier skin, you know, mine is like just some places on my face. If it's like your entire face, maybe proceed with caution. Like maybe really hydrate your face, because since I am on the fence of saying like this is actually pretty matte, like not soft matte, like straight up matte, and you have like oily skin stuff, dry skin, stuff like that, it could go wrong on your face. Think like, you know, Fenty on your face if you have dry skin. Even though I've seen people with dry skin who said they like the Fenty, the original Fenty Pro Filter, but a lot of people who have dry skin said that it's an absolute no-go for them as far as that foundation goes. Like, so I'm letting you know that this is pretty soft matte of a product, even though it is like this sheer type thing. So proceed with caution if you have dry skin and want to pick it up. So I like it. I wouldn't say I like it the most out of everything I've tried this week. Well, it's actually now it's been over a week of trying foundations. Not so sure I'd say like I like it the most out of what I've tried this week, but considering what I've tried in the last 8 days, this is up there with the ones that I like and I see myself using again. Okay, Sephora. And I didn't break out in hives. So that is it for this video. I will insert a flash test right her. Your girl is, she's feeling it. She's getting hype. Why? Because, you know, that pre-workout I told you guys about, where if you don't start working out in a certain amount of time, you start itching. Yeah, it's starting to kick in. So, if you're like, oh, you seem real on right now, that is why I gotta wrap up this video. So that is it for this video. I hope seeing me test out this foundation has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.